think we're live. Good afternoon. Are we live? YouTube. Yes. Yes. There we are. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening, wherever you're tuning in. What's my line? I forgot my initial line. Regular introduction today. So good day to Steve, who joined from Twitter, and to Rapnex, who has been here like an hour before the stream actually started. Let's hope to get a few people on board today because I got really cool plans for this stream. So the last streams were kind of, well, I didn't have a plan back then as well, but I think we're gonna do something cool today. Hey, Wilco, you're not the platform. Bonjour from England, Leon. What's going on? Hey everyone. Good afternoon. So my plan for today is that we build a cool Christmas-inspired project with Ionic and Angular. Yes, we're gonna use Angular today because apparently Simon is not using Ionic Angular anymore. I'm just using React and Flutter. So let me counter that with a bit of Ionic Angular today. And we're gonna use Supabase for hosting some files. So I do have an idea that I want to show you. I'm sorry I decided on that idea, but it was kind of like spontaneous at the beginning of the week. I thought, well, come on, let's do something cool. And here we are. This is my idea. Can I draw something? Can I get well, new? How can I do new with Xcali draw? Well, doing the erase on everything, that can't be the right way, but it should work. So my idea is, can we have like this is gonna be our page. And what we're gonna do today, and I don't know if we're gonna finish today, but then we're gonna finish next week, is we're gonna build a website with Ionic Angular. That's gonna be interesting because we're gonna try and make it responsive. So should work like this and should work like this. We were not talking very often about responsive stuff with Ionic, so that is one cool thing. We're gonna use Angular, and what I wanna do is I wanna basically have like a text box input here, where you could put like seasonal greetings. Yeah, let's keep it at greetings. So you can input some text, and then above we're gonna have a button or whatever, and there you will be able to capture a video using Capacitor on the browser, but it should also work on a device, so basically covering everything. There's the idea. Besides that, we will then, I don't know, have something like a list below this. And then probably some kind of card UI, which would be pretty nice because then we can make that really responsive. So either like 2 or 3 or more, or just 1. However, I'm not sure what we can display in here. So that's going to be a big question mark. So I don't know if we can actually get like a preview from a video that we can display in here. So that's my idea. Looks actually, I think that should be a cool project. We will try and build everything, of course, with Ionic Angular. We might use Tailwind. I don't know why, but my stream and YouTube keeps hanging. Is everything with the stream okay for people watching, or is there a problem? Could you please let me know in the chat if this is just my preview or if there's like a general problem with the stream. Seems fine to me, all good, it is okay. Inline player, yes. Mark, good question, Mark Elling. Will the code be available? Simon has been very active up front. I already created the repository. Repository for the stream is here, and I can't spell this correctly, so here we go. There is the repository where I'm gonna push the code, and I already did the initial commit. I also connected it to Netlify. You can find all the information already in here. I don't know why the stream keeps hanging for me. I'm already on the like lowest quality. It still keeps hanging for me. Can't be true. Anyway, before I forget about it, if you're new to this, if you missed last week's announcement, please do check out galaxies.dev, my new project. I already got like, I think 300 people on the initial list. So people kind of like the idea. I'm very thankful that a lot of you opted into this. It's my new project for the future. Thanks, Wilco, already signed up. Big thumbs up for that. With a lot of great content. You can watch last week's stream for a quick peek at the inside area. I don't want to spend too much time on it, just leaving it to you also for future people coming to the stream. Check out galaxies.dev. Besides that, there are two more things that I just need to tell you. Do I want to do it now? Do I want to start? Okay. Do you want to get the cool technical thing or the cool anecdotal story funny thing? Let me just vote in the chat. Just say 1 for technical or 2 for the other story. And then you're gonna get it. What ISP do you have in Germany? I don't know. Internet service provider is ISP, right? The German Telekom, I guess. We do have quite quick connection. Okay, 1 was the technical thing. You want to see the technical thing. So I'm working on a little project that I called Best of 5. So this is my holiday project. Can I make the simulator any bigger? No, apparently you can't. So you gotta... Can I zoom into it? No. What can you do with that simulator? However, this is an application built with once again Flutter. So I'm challenging myself to use a bit of Flutter and to use a bit of Firebase to build this funny little app. It's just like, I kind of like to have these small projects. The idea is to have 5 different mini games, and then you get a score for all of them, and then you have a leaderboard. So right now you can do this. So press the orange button. Okay, this is quite a bit too easy. Yeah, I'm still working on the logic for that. However, I got a fast tab, I got a Wordle-like game, we got Hangman in there. There will be a little math challenge, and then I hope to roll out this little game just as a little exercise sometime soon. Is Flutter better than Ionic? Is Ionic better than Flutter? No. I had a review video about this some time ago. I still think they're both great, and at the moment, like, you need to understand, I've been doing Ionic Angular for probably 6 years, so I've seen most of what's possible with Ionic, and it's just, I want to just try something else, and writing this kind of Flutter code, these things, it's just something else. It's nice for the brain just to learn something else, how Dart works, how you create the UIs with Flutter. I just enjoy it right now, and I just want to get like a good, decent knowledge about it, because I do think Flutter might be more important in the future. But then again, we're here for the Ionic Angular stream, so don't think I will turn my back on Ionic Angular. Definitely not. I just like Ionic and also Angular too much to not use it anymore. Okay, so nice wallpaper. Thanks. Long time no see. Panagiotis Lucas, welcome. Yeah, nice. I'm still questioning if this is the best time, because I've seen people stream actually in the morning and that, like, I don't know, 80 people, but yeah, whatever. Jean-Philippe, you should be able to change the view with Xcode. The view, which view? About which view are we talking? I don't know. Probably Flutter. Anyway, let's get into this. Windows. Okay, you meant the simulator. Let's try this. Window. Well, I could do like fit screen. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I could have, yeah. You can just do command 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see. Thanks for letting me know, Jean. So, here we are. I created a blank new Ionic project. I added the netlify toml because with Angular SPAs we need to redirect all traffic to the index HTML. I added the capacitor platforms just for fun. I created a project in Supabase. I haven't defined the tables yet, so we still need to do this. And I also haven't created a bucket here, so let's do this now. But I wrote some SQL, so I just want to have a greetings table, automatic ID, the text you want to have in that greeting, probably leaving your email, and then the link to the video. That is my idea. I have no plan how we can delete stuff yet, because I don't want to add user authentication right now. I want to make progress on this. Maybe we add some kind of user authentication next week, and then add the user in here. For now, we're just gonna probably add a little warning. If you upload a video, it's gonna be here forever, like something like that. Oh, 29 people today. That's cool. I really like this. Can Ionic support Dart in the future? Ionic Dart? No. I don't see any possibility for that. Merry early Christmas. Yes, you too. I gotta get to the questions. Can I hear music on the stream? You mean my music? You probably can hear my music. Interesting stuff. It's quite loud for me, but I think it's not very loud for you. I think I tuned this down, this audio for you. Okay, I'm trying to run this query now. I hope it's right. So this should create the table, alter table greetings, row level security, create users can add on greetings for insert. I don't know if I use with check or let's see. Yeah, syntax error near email. Oh yeah, come on. I hate writing SQL. Success, no rows returned. Okay, cool. It's good. No rows returned. That seems good. That's too loud for my ears. Really. But we also need a storage bucket. Can you please increase font size? Yes, sorry. This was the query we ran to create the greetings table, and then simple policy for insert and for select, so that everyone can create and read something but not update and delete yet. Storage. I haven't worked with storage often, so let's see. I don't know, videos. Anyone can read any object without. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Okay, videos, public buckets. Do we still need like... I don't know if I need any rules here, if this will just work. I feel like it will just work. Okay, let's go back to our app. Do we want to... No, we don't use Tailwind. We use Angular today, right? We will also just use the home page as it is in here. I don't care. We probably don't need the header. Don't need the header. We don't need this. We should maybe wrap this in Ion Grid. Ion Grid. Ion Row. We're gonna make it responsible at some point. For now, I'm just gonna use class. What is it? Ion justify center. Ion align items center. There we go. Then we wanted to have this card at the top. So we need an input. Do we need a label? No, I don't think so. Ion input. This will be our text. Actually, it's not an input. Actually, it's an Ion text area. It should at least have rows 4 and grow automatically. Yeah, auto grow. And then we should go to our app and we should... Oh, I'm not even serving this yet. My bad. My bad. Let's see. Okay, we don't see anything. Yeah, okay, there's an input field. We should probably set the border of that input field. Let's give this a bit class message. Don't need any of that. Okay, just set the border to 1 pixel, solid, whatever. Or won't this work? Yeah, so the text area seems to have some border radius. Oh, this is now a bad idea. My head is covering this. So I'm debugging the Ion text area, trying to figure out how I can set the border. Oh, I forgot something else. Oh, come on. Ionic framework docs. I haven't done like Ionic Angular for quite some time, I feel. Text area. Feels good. Feels good to be back. CSS properties border. Okay, guess border radius. Okay, maybe if I do Ion text area in here. Come on. Did I make a mistake? Like, yeah, not save that file. That's always a good mistake. Okay, but we also had a dash border radius. Want to make this a bit rounded, so let's set this to 4 pixels. Is this rounded? I can't see it right now. Ion text area. We had something with border radius, didn't we? Border dash border radius. Probably we also need a bit more. Is this rounded? I don't think it's rounded. Anyway, I'm gonna use like 3 pixels. Are you mad if I define it in here? Oh, I haven't used this for so long, but it is dash border dash radius for Ion text area. I feel like this, it's not rounded, isn't it? No, this is not rounded, not at all. But it should actually be. And so it begins. But what I also wanted to do is set the background color of our content, because this should be a bit like a nice dark theme. How do we set this? What's the variable here? Dash background. Is it background? Or background color? It is background. Okay, cool. But I feel like dark. What is your project about? The idea is to have a board where people can upload videos, so we can exchange some seasonal greetings each other. That's the main idea. I'm gonna make the color a bit more seasonal. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is not seasonal. This like a dark kind of blue. Yes, like that. Now I want background greenness. And what's the, is it background like this for the input field? Yes, okay, so now we have that input field. I almost like the border. Probably something more like that. Also, this row. Okay, so now it gets interesting. We need to make this responsive. So let's add an Ion column. And let's see. We're gonna say for the column size, small size should be 12. Medium, like, I don't know, 8. Size LG 4. Let's try this. Okay. It's already not too bad. It's just not centered. But we can get that. Ion, isn't it? Ion justifies center. What was the way to center a column with Ionic? Responsive grid should be like that, shouldn't it? Content base, specify responsive size, offset, responsive. Okay, push and pull, alignment. Ion align items center. Ion justify content center. Come on. Ion justify content center, Ion aligner. Oh yeah, that's not going to work. There we go. Better. Nice. So on small screens we use 12 column size, so the whole row. We could maybe add something else. For small, I'm gonna go to 10, 8, and then maybe 6. So small, taking up the whole space. Go away. And then we just have it centered. Okay, on large. Do we got XL? Yeah, we should have it really like 4 on XL. Nice. That's responsive. I'd say that's definitely responsive. Okay, placeholder. Your seasonal greetings. There we go. Looks good. Above this, we're just gonna put like an Ion text color. I don't know. Color maybe primary. I don't know. We're gonna use. Maybe someone can figure out a cool color. And we're gonna put in Santa's greetings. Oh, we should probably put this in a column as well, or at least in the. Oh, we can put it just above this. Should work. Okay, it's not working. Where am I? Oh, here, Santa's greetings. Yes, because I've ripped it out of the Ion color. I'm doing really good today. Go away. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. But I want to also center this, so let's add class Ion text center. Yes, okay. Well, for a holiday input, I think it's okay to have this centered. Okay. Fixed property in grid. Khalid, what do you mean? Anyway, the Ion text. And we should have an Ion button. Expand. No, actually not really expand. I just want to click this and submit the greetings. Submit greetings. This should probably be disabled for some time until I want to really submit this. It's not too bad yet. It's not too bad. Class Ion margin top. Okay. Can we make the H1 like even bigger? H1 font size. I don't know. Extra large. Yeah, well. Font weight 500. Margin top. No, let's do really something. Bottom as well, 40. Okay, this is our greetings. Well, we can. I think we can actually. Ion grid fixed true. Why do you want to do this for the grid? I mean, sure, we can use fixed true. Because it's then staying at that size, right? And it's not getting overly big. Yeah, that's a good idea. Good point. Okay. Seasonal greetings should be connected to a value. I don't want to use the reactive form, or should we? Come on, let's use this. We could have, no, we couldn't. Could we? Can we use standalone components? Angular 15, we could have made this a standalone component, but I don't want to make the transformation right now. So we're gonna stick to this. Reactive forms module, private form builder, and then we got greetings form group. Yeah, and greetings certainly is required. Validators dot required. Okay, so then we can hook this up to a little form. Form group name is greetings form. I always forget the right syntax, but I assume it should be good. We could probably also use ChatGPT to create this. Gonna make this just a type button. Disabled when our when the greetings form is invalid. And why? What's your problem? Form builder null injector. Oh, I didn't save the module, right? Yes, thanks. And then we also that the where is it? Form control name should be greetings. Everyone happy now? Yes. No. Form group name. Is it just form group? I always forget the right syntax. Is it like that? Yeah. Why have you created the form at declaration rather than in the net? Good question. Good question. If you create the forms with Angular 14 or 15 plus here at the class level, you get a strongly typed form. So if I remove this part, I would just say this is my form group or something. And then I can only use this dot greetings form and I just get the default stuff. However, if I define it up here exactly like this, Angular already knows about it. So now I can actually simply get the greetings from this dot greetings form get raw value. And if I go over get raw value, you will see that it actually knows that the form control in it is greetings. So by doing this, we get a strongly typed form. We can also add non-nullable. So even if we reset the fields, thanks for subscribing. Even if we now reset the form at some point, if we use non-nullable, the value will not be null, but just the initial value. So just an empty string. That's non-nullable. That's also pretty cool. Okay, we now also need capacitor. I always forget about this. I'm just copying in the syntax. Let's do a little commit here because it just works. Git add done. Basic UI. Oh, I do have something very important that we need to add. But let's install the capacitor camera and also the PWA elements. Okay, there we go. And for Angular, we do this in the main.ts. Define custom elements window, define custom elements. So then we can use a nice camera interface for the capacitor camera on the browser. So now we need a way to capture the video. I'm gonna video. Come on, just get in there. Area. Video area. I'm gonna give the video area. Oh, come on. Width 50%, height 50. Then border radius also 50, and then background color. Let's check in. I should hit the save button. Do I really need to give it at least a bit of a size? Where is it actually? Hello, video area. Where are you? Where did I add my video area? It's above the text area. Is it really not working because it has no height at all? Come on. Or maybe I also can't see it because it's black. No, that's not what it is. Hello? Okay, there we go. If you make text area placeholder at the center, it looks good. Yeah, some kind like that we're gonna do. Let's try and change this. I don't want to work down there. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do it. No. Well, now it will be at least rounded. Do we actually want to do it like that? Let's do it like that. But we still need to center this. Why are you not centered? Also, I just want to use like a lightish, something like that. That's actually a nice color for this. And a border, 2 pixel solid. We're gonna use this cool color we defined up here. Okay, yes, it's going together. Now I just need to make this centered. I thought we made this whole thing centered. We could probably, on our Ion Calm, we could just greetings Cal. We could just probably use flex. Oh no, I don't want to mess up and use flex in there. Okay, I can click this now. On click, I wanna select image. Gonna add this in here. We're making progress. I think we were gonna get to the file upload today. What was the question? If you make text area placeholder at center, it looks good. Oh yeah. Okay, so how do we center this? We're back at the usual question of how do you center stuff? Oh, fun. Can this thing align itself? I'm just trying out align padding. Oh yeah, yes, right. Padding auto, right? Or margin. Yeah, margin auto. Thanks for the input. Margin auto. There we go. So now we can click this to capture greetings. No. Capture greetings. Capture. Let's call this capture message. And probably I'm gonna put this into a span. And then make sure that the span. If I add display flex in here, and then use align item center and justify content center. Yes, that should work. Okay, capture message. Span should probably have a bit different color, like white maybe. Font weight maybe 500. I would kind of like to have more icons. We need more icons. We definitely need more icons. Ion icon name, camera outline. That's not looking good. Color light should be better. Yes, and then class ion margin right. Then we should have some distance. No, we don't. Well, we can anyway use the class as well on the span if we wanted to. But then we just had to use left instead of right. Sorry. Ion padding left. Does this not exist anymore? I'm just gonna do it from code, whatever. So let's remove this and just give it the margin left in the CSS rule. Okay. There we go. We just need a little button for the button for the icon for the button. So ion icon, let's use submit ionicons. What's a good icon for submit? Email or send or oh yeah, I wanted to send outline. Making sure it's in the starting slot of the button. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. Should also look good on bigger screens. Yes, looks good. Santa's greetings is getting ready. The only thing is that I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, cool. Good afternoon, Sahil. Good afternoon, everyone else. I hope you can still follow. Any questions so far? If you like it in school. Anyone questions? Please raise your hand. So we need a service now. Ionic generates service Supabase. I'm just going to call this Supabase service for simplicity. And within the Supabase service, we're going to upload this. I know. I also wanted. Now I remember. I wanted to add a little ion. Just going to copy this over. Ion input, and for this. Oh, we could also specify like an email and then we send that link to. Oh, I got so many ideas. Why did we start this project 1 week before? Let's make email required so you can't shitpost stuff. Well, you can if you specify a fake email, of course. Email validators.required. And then we have our ion input form containing email. It's below. Oh, we need to style the ion input as well now. With the cool styling that our text area had. Does it work for this? Of course, we can do it like that. Nice. I'm not super proud about it, but I also don't know why the border radius is not working. That makes me kind of sad. I definitely wanted to have a round border. So why can't... Is there like a typo? I don't get it. What is wrong with the border radius? I have to debug this at some point. To do, not working. Thanks, Ionic. I wanted to have snow, and I remember that I did a project where I had snow. JavaScript snowfall. Was it pure snow? Anyone got a recommendation for that? Like how to add snow in JavaScript? It can't be too hard. Projects. I did have this for the when I did this Ionic winter thing. I think I actually did this last year. Can anyone remember what it was called? It was called Ionicember. I think it had snowfall. Yeah, it had snowfall. I want that snowfall. Ionicember. Practical. Kick-off Ionic. I got too many Ionic projects. Book, Ionic UI, Ionic book, Ghost. Built with Ionic, right? Yes, built with Ionic. There it is. What's the package of? It's always good when you just find you. Hello. You can just find your own code, then use that. So the package. Is there some kind of, yeah. Okay, it seems it's called Magic Snowflakes. Let's install. Is there like a GitHub repository for this? Of course there is. So here we go, falling snowflakes, Magic Snowflakes. I've installed it. Let's see how I use it. In the home page, I can just import star as snowflakes. Oh, I can actually import it correctly if I want to. Snowflakes any, this dot snowflakes. Okay, yeah, that makes sense to put it in the ng after view init. Implements after view init. It most likely will access some value. So what's the result of this? Snowflakes. Property has no initializer. Well, it does have. Oh, what was the fix for this? I think like this, right? Try border radius without dash dash. But it was a CSS variable, wasn't it? But good point. Could just work like that. Yeah, well. Oh, and it's snowing already. Nice. Oh, this is exactly how I thought this would look like. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, isn't that a lovely sight? We could watch this. Nice holly, nice music. The snow falling super slow. Ah, how relaxing. Yeah, David, it is so relaxing. I think we should just close the stream here. Can't get any better. Git add snowflakes and basic stuff. Okay, the only problem is we haven't added any kind of interaction with Supabase yet, so let's do this. Oh, I haven't added a folder. That looks horrible. Ionic generates services. Supabase. And then we just need to hook this up with Supabase. There we go. So what do we need? We need upload video. And we need add greeting. For the greeting, we kind of know how it looks like because I defined it in Supabase. My greeting. Or I actually also got it in the SQL file. So this is how the greeting will look. So that means export interface. I could actually get that greeting, that interface from Supabase with a command, but I forgot about it. I'm sorry. I don't know if this is going to be, no, it's actually going to be a number, right? But the ID doesn't have to be defined. Text should be defined. Email should be defined. Video should be defined. So adding a greeting will be a greeting. Upload video will be a video file. I actually don't know what we get back from Capacitor. Let's see. Select image. Who called this select image? Oh, add now a Christmas tree. Oh yeah, we should add a Christmas tree. Anyone got a good image? Please send me a link to a good image, to a good Christmas tree that I could add at the bottom of it. Where's my project? There, it's still snowing. Good. I don't want to call this capture video. That makes more sense. Although I hope I don't wreck my camera with that. But no risk, no fun. Yeah. Let's do it. Capture video. Capacitor camera. Async. Camera result type. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I don't know what Supabase wants. Do you have any tutorial with Supabase and upload? I don't think so. I don't think so. What does Supabase expect for a file upload? Upload avatar file path. Yeah, maybe it can work like that. Let's just give it a try. Source, we could set the source to camera source dot camera because we really want to capture something. I'm just gonna put a log after this line for the video, and then we give this a shot. So I want to capture a message. Please don't. Yes, that's the right camera. Nice. There's my stream deck. Thanks. Good afternoon. That's what's going on my screen. Oh no, this is recording a photo. Right? This is. Oh no. I made a terrible mistake. This is capturing photo, not video, right? Oh well, we could do this with the... Do we want to just capture a photo, or... Because my initial idea was actually that we... Oh, I have a quick win on that. Cool. Because my initial idea was actually that we do... My idea was that we capture a video, and then you can like do your seasonal greetings, and then that's a bummer now. Let's see. I'm gonna at least capture one photo. Try this out. What we get back as a result. Okay, we get back a blob. Let's just try and upload that blob to Supabase, so we have something to show. So let's inject our private Vampire HI is nice. Didn't miss the live. Yeah, you're still in it. We got still more 10 minutes for the power hour. HTML5 capture video by input. Yeah, that could be a way, definitely. But we won't get to that today, apparently. Supabase service. But that's good. We got something cool for next week as well. And I'm gonna think about... Oh, by the way, today I installed an extension which adds inline logs. Do you see this? It's running my code and it's printing the logs in here. It's the same log that I see in here, but now it's in Visual Studio. That's so funny. Thanks for subscribing, Luis. Input type file. Okay, and what's the result? What will we get back? Apparently I won't have. Okay, I just put it in here. Okay, I just put it around this thing. Sorry. Hello? Why can't I do it like this? Oh well, let's put it in here. Yeah, well, camera get video. No, camera get video is Won't work. There's only get photo. There's just check permission, get photo, pick images and stuff like that. For the HTML, how can I tell it to directly open my camera and not use any kind of file? Is that possible as well? I mean, this definitely works, but I want to capture something. Oh, I think I did this in my own quick win. I did some kind of capturing, right? Oh, I used navigator, media devices, the stream. Yeah, we could probably implement that. We're gonna have to think about if this should just work in the browser or on a device as well. Would be interesting. Let's just for now try and upload this. Camera. So let's try and upload at least a photo to Supabase because I want to see something in my storage and see that this works. Upload video. I'm just gonna upload this video, although it's not really a video. So what's the type of it? Photo. Okay, upload video type photo. Perfect. Disrupting everything in my application. Sense. This does not make. Anyway, I'm gonna try this. Oh, we haven't even initialized Supabase. I'm gonna have to look into my our voting app. That was actually also a pretty nice project we did together, if you still remember. The good old voting app. So always like to have my stuff set up. Oh, we're gonna set this up as well. Table greetings. Call this greetings. Then we got the constructor with our Supabase setup. No, please use the environment from. Yeah, whatever. Just not prod. And photo is definitely not correct here. Please, just from capacitor camera. Okay, did we have a file upload before? I assume we didn't. We had votings, voting, delete, voting options, update, vote. No, we didn't have an upload. Does Simon have any kind of content on this? Does anyone know? Supabase. Yeah, Ionic Supabase storage. Nice. I'm my biggest fan because I got the content that I really need. So, Simon, where did you put the upload function? Please show me. Too much talk. No syntax highlighting in here. Boo. If platform is hybrid, else. Yeah, we're not gonna do this as a mobile app. This is just gonna. Hello. This is just gonna be a website. This is now what I think. Async. Okay, we don't have a web path. What do we have? Why does it lock out? I use an image. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. Capture message. Let's try. Now it's not capturing anything anymore because I'm using photos. Oh, why is it mad with me? Because I had the input. Oh, because I have removed the click handler a few seconds ago. Genius once again. I'm really good at trolling myself into bugs. Where do I have nice screenshots? There we go. Perfect for a seasonal greeting. And now we should have a web path. We should have a web path. What's your problem? Because it's optional? Is the web path optional? Yeah, it is. It should be set. Okay, so let's say my file, and then I'm going to use the code that I had in here. Bucket name is actually greetings as well. File name is time. Ooh. File name. File name. I don't know. What could be the file name? Oh, you would like to check out the code. Sorry, I'm gonna upload it in a second. Because if somebody does it at the same time, like you need to do some kind of... Oh, come on, let's do this. The easy way, JavaScript random. Oh yeah, math.random, of course. Just gonna put this in here. Math.random returns times, I don't know, 100 or so. Gotta look the file name, then we're gonna do the upload of the file to my bucket. And after that, I'm just gonna return for now the data. And I'm also gonna log the data. And on the home page, gonna await that as well. I'm done. Result. Okay, let's check this out. I'm gonna try and capture a message using this. Okay, we got an error. That's cool. Oh, I think I know why. No, I actually don't know why. It said file name. It said file name webp. It wasn't able to upload it for whatever reason. No, I want to end this today with a win. Why didn't you work? What was the... New row violates row level security policy for table objects. Oh yeah, I need to storage. Policies, videos. I thought it was public, that would be cool. I don't know. Allow, give users only. I just want to give whole complete access to everyone. Policies under storage.objects. There's some resources here. What are the options I do have? Enable read access to everyone. Yeah, that's good. Select insert. Well, actually for insert. Enable insert access for all users. Defaults to all public. Let's check. With, I don't know, true. Okay, am I now allowed to insert something? Let's do this again. I think we got the same issue. The parent resource is not found. Oh, how interesting. Oh, this is not called greetings, it is called videos. My bad, my bad. So the bucket name is videos. And now I'm gonna upload this one. And it's not red. Okay, I uploaded it as a video. That is probably not the right not the right type for this file. However, if I now go to videos, there is the first picture. Nice. Okay, and now I could display this, and then we could add easily add the greetings, and easily also add the greetings to our page. We should also make the random value a bit higher, I feel. Okay, that looks good to me. Cool. There's the dot Marco. Yes. Is import of photo correct? Yes, it should be correct now. Git add dot git commit first working version. So that means I'm gonna push the code. You can find it on GitHub. I'm gonna once again the repository is here, linking it now. Math.seal, yeah, that would work as well. So far, is it deployed? It should be deployed. or it should be soon deployed. Netlify should automatically deploy it in a second. So when you get our CentOS greetings up here, it is responsive. It looks okay. We can upload a picture so far. And that means we have some work to do next week. So plan for next week. Try to make this work either with images or with videos. I kind of feel like we're gonna get to videos. We're gonna video upload. Once we have the video uploaded, we get back the URL. We're gonna create an entry in the database with a greeting, the email, and the URL to the video. And on submit, we add this, and then below we just display all the greetings from the table, the database. That should be fun. I'm really looking forward to that stream. It's gonna be pretty close before Christmas. It's the 22nd next week. But anyway, I will be here. I hope you will be here as well. I enjoyed it today. Thanks for your support and fixing my errors and doing everything that I can't do. Why not have it both? With image, message could be overlaid. With video, message is attached. I will think about this. I will definitely think about what we can do. And then I'm going to catch you next week. So I got a little appointment, so that's why I need to end in time today. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope to catch you inside the next videos, the next stream. And of course, check out galaxies.dev. The rocket is launching pretty soon. Have a great rest of the week, and until then, as always, happy coding.